Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. Do you wonder how we cook in the farm? This video is going to give you a detailed guide of how the farm people live. I've been invited by a friend, Kevin, to witness their day in life in the farm. Guys, it was an amazing experience. I really enjoyed. There's something that I will share with you guys during the year. It's really a tough life in the farm, but I really enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. While you're watching the video, consider liking the video. I promise to give you guys like a proper video later during the year. So guys, enjoy the video. Please share the video as well. Thank you very much.
Sniper, what you have any? What you have? What you have?